So if you're new to the channel, I have this A959 that I did all these upgrades to, and maybe some of you guys subscribed once I put some of these upgrades on, but I never got a chance to run this car. I actually did try to run it. The shocks did strip out of the stock shock towers, so I put these upgraded metal shock towers on. So now I have a chance to run this car. One thing I did notice that with the body, I had to modify the body a little bit. If you notice, these wheels are a little bigger, and with the stock body, without modifying it, it would hit, these tires would hit the body. So I just cut them out like this, and now they don't hit. As you can see, I have plenty of clearance, even when if the shock is compressed, it does hit a little bit. But other than that, I have much better clearance with the tires. So I'm going to see how it handles a little bit of the off-road. If you remember this from when it was stock, it did not really do too well on the off-road because of the ground clearance. Now I have these upgraded shocks and I have these bigger wheels and tires. So I'm curious to see how well it's going to do in the dirt and on the stones and stuff. And I also want to see if these shocks stay in these upgraded shock towers. So here we go. Okay, well, it made it up the hill. This isn't the best stuff. This is real fine shale, so the fact that it made it up that is pretty good for as small of a car that this is. Let's get it down here on the flat, just rip it around. Oh, not bad. I've only been running it for like a minute, and it runs pretty good. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. So that's weird. It flipped itself off when it rolled over. Well, that's not bad. I mean, if you remember, I saw the stock 390 motor in this, so it's running really good with these bigger wheels and tires. It's going over these smaller bumps like with ease. Oh man. Oh. It made it up the hill further than I thought it would. I mean, this isn't a smooth surface here. Look how hilly and bumpy it is, and it just like it climbed up there pretty nice. I just wish I could keep it. I just wish I could keep it on its tires. So it does like to flip over. I'm noticing that. And did I just turn this off again when it flipped over? I wonder what's making it do that. Wonder what's flipping that switch off. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you see what I see? Oh, Oh yeah, we're going up here. Well, nothing's broken. It survived that pretty long tumble down pretty much the entire hill. All right, let's have some fun with this thing. Oh man, well, I have a flashing battery here, so that's all the fun for today. What a difference. The wheels, tires, suspension, everything. I mean, this thing is pretty rock solid now. So I am planning on doing a few other little upgrades. I want to get another steering servo, and I do want to get the bigger motor. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much done with this project. Hopefully I get another RC that I can do just as many upgrades to.